Okay. I had given some instructions and 5 good things about yourself, your short-term goal, your long-term goal, and what you think abundance is. Okay, according to you, and what are the hurdles you are facing in this abundance. So, if you all are okay with sharing what you have written, you can share that, okay, one by one, or else at least share what were your experience while doing this exercise. So, Harpreet, you can start by the time Sapna is writing. Yeah.
Okay. While writing, I had a very wonderful experience. Thank you.
So,
If
what
it's
hurdles you are facing in it? So,
uh,
that is.
I am not getting the clear picture from the clients. Like when we go and
Okay.
approach somebody, especially in India, I feel it is the long term I am facing these issues. Like people are not clear. They will not say yes and no. They will linger it on. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. वो जैसे बोलते हैं ना गुजराती में दिवाली पच्छी and in the way it is after Eid, this Diwali and Eid never comes in India. It's always delay, delay, delay. So these are the big hurdles. We start the project, it goes to 85%, then it stops. Every project. I don't know what.
Over to you,
First
Anju.
of
Yeah.
all, yeah. First of all, 5 good things about myself. I'm beautiful, and I have
Very good.
strong.
I'm always logical and imaginary. So I can actually place things and then find the loop. There should be no regrets, no malice, no inhibition, accept everything that is coming my way with a smile. That is meaning of abundance to me. When I hit the pillow, I should be able to say, thank you God for everything, for everyone. That's I don't know how practical I am, but that's what I want. Uh, the problems I face uh, with getting this abundance or these goals or however I can relate to is one is thoughts. I often, because I'm imaginary person, I see pros, but I also see cons. So the thoughts, the negative thoughts are actually a hurdle to me, which which is in my control, but I'm not able to control it. My second thing is what world will say if I do this or if I do that, what will be the reaction of the world, which sometimes is a hurdle to me because I think about them too. I need a lot of patience to get all this. And there is a little bit of procrastination in me. I will say, चल कल करते हैं यार, आज नहीं. So this is what. सपना तेरे बारे में बोल दिया, अभी तू बोल.
तूने बोल दिया, अब मैं क्या बोलूं? You have done my work, but उसका तेरे को ये नहीं मिलेगा. That abundance will come to me only.
हाँ. भर भर के तुझे काम मिले.
हाँ, बराबर है.
ऑलरेडी काम के नीचे दब गई है.
It's nothing like that. Well,
See, Sapna, without writing also, instant. This is what actually I was planning instant, but it would take time. That's why I gave little time to everyone to write
Sapna,
it down. But this
Sapna,
actually helps, you know.
Sapna,
See, it's all
however you are.
abundance, wealth, prosperity. Okay. Hmm? So, but whatever I'll be, explaining this and teaching you in this workshop will help you in all areas of the life. You can use the same techniques in different areas of your life. Once you understand the base of it, how our mind works, how our thought process works, so then you know karke what I need in life, how I can achieve that. Let it be relationship, let it be money, let it be job, let it be work, let it be health. For everything, you will able to find a way to it. You will be guided towards it, and you will know how to guide your own self for it. Okay. So what we'll do is first I was planning to go with the presentation first and explaining you the whole process. But now I'm going a step reverse. What we'll do, we'll first do so that we create a environment of abundance towards ourselves. Okay. So once we finish the mantra chanting, then I will give you the explanation, the whole presentation about how how the mind works and how it stores the data into our mind and how we go to it and how the hurdles come. And then I will take one more session, okay, in which I will help. It's a hypno meditation session. I won't explain you now much. As you feel it, you will enjoy. Varanam Namaha.
Om Varanam Namaha.
Oh, Varanam. As you feel comfortable, you all can open your eyes. All feeling relaxed? Yes. So what I'll do now, I'll explain you now, with the presentation. Okay, I'll be sharing the screen with you all. Okay. Once we finish that, then we'll have one more session which will be more enchanting. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Means what you believe is what your destiny is being created. So what is starting with? Everything is starting with your belief, and that is what is going to your destiny. Okay. Like you can read here. Programming creates belief. Okay, which will create an attitude or thoughts. Then it will create an emotions and feelings. Okay, and then after that, the actions and reactions are behaviors. All these come up. Then is the final result reality which you are going to see as your destiny. Okay, so how from those things only. If you have not feeded them anything, they won't give you that thing. If I have made food and I have made dal, chawal, roti and sabji, I am giving you that. Then I will ask you, okay, from that plate, you can give me banana. How will that person give and then banana is not there in that plate? You won't get that banana. So you have to give that. If you have put in the plate that banana, then only you will get the banana. No? So you won't get it unless you have given it. So if you want something, as I gave you for the mobile example, so then what will happen? Okay, you will automatically, if I want to go and tell my mother something, okay, I will be that much open to go and talk to her. I will feel that comfort. That comfort automatically, I'll get an idea of how to go and speak to her. Okay, this is the way. See, this is the things, and then automatically you will get an approach which will be fruitful for you. Okay. Like as I told for the prosperity, the same thing applies here for the money part also. You have to imagine yourself doing exactly what you want to in each of these areas. In whatever areas you want to do it, as I told you have to actually imagine that you have already done this. You have to start imagining it. Like Arpit wants to do her own business, so you already imagine you're going down, you're doing or dealing with that person, you're doing with that. So what you are already connecting.
मेडिसिन प्रेस्क्राइब की मुझे, उसके बाद फिर से मुझे मतलब सिर्फ 2 दिन हुए थे, कुछ वेदर ऐसा था कि मैं उनके पास विजिट नहीं कर पाई। सिर्फ वो दिन 2 दिन ऐसे हुए कि मैं मेडिसिन नहीं ले पाई, तो दोनों रातें मेरी बिना सोए निकली हैं। फिर दोबारा मैंने कोर्स लिया, 10 डेज के लिए मैंने फिर लिया, फिर दोबारा मैंने लिया उनसे, हाफ कर दिया, फिर 1/4, बट स्टिल इट वाज गोइंग ऑन। मतलब बिना मेडिसिन के एक दिन भी ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं सो पा रही। मेरे को आंखों में नींद फील ही नहीं होती थी, पूरी रात निकल जाती थी, 2 रातें निकल गई, 3 रातें निकल गई। ये बाई चांस ज्योति जी से बात होते होते मैंने ऐसे ही शेयर कर लिया, पता नहीं क्या मन में आया, बस शेयर कर लिया ज्योति जी से कि कुछ इस रिगार्डिंग आप मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो। तो उन्होंने सेम डे ही मुझे सर्कल बना के दिया, और वो दिन था और आज का दिन है। मैंने एक सिंगल टेबलेट नहीं ली और मैं डॉक्टर के पास विजिट भी नहीं की, और मैं सिर्फ इस सर्कल की हेल्प से सो। जब मैं ना तब तक मुझे चैन ही नहीं आता। एक्चुअली फैंटास्टिकली इसने वर्क किया है। मैं तो उस दिन से इतनी मेस्मराइज हो गई हूँ ना इसके बाद, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रात होगी तो मैं फटाफट फिंगर्स रख लूं इसके ऊपर और मैं फिर सो जाऊं।
तो ये वैसे है ना, मतलब यही एनर्जी सर्कल्स हर चीज के लिए बन सकते हैं, हर इश्यूज के लिए लाइफ। वैसे मैंने 2-3 फाइनेंस के लिए बनाए हैं।
हाँ, मैंने जैसे ही फिंगर्स उस पर रखती हूँ मुझे वाइब्रेशन सी आती है माइंड तक।
9, 48, 47, 46. So, anyone else want to share anything? Yeah.
My thoughts were coming and going, but my feet were like I am walking. It was like vibration, like tingling feeling.
Yeah.
Like I'm walking and I have to literally pick up and put the food. Feeling was there.
Okay. Yeah.
Jyoti ji, I was totally connected with you. Each and every step I was taking with you. I was visualizing each and everything, whatever was there coming from your mouth.
It was fantastic.
That's
Sonali,
fantastic.
anything? Yeah. Sonali, you anything? She's there.
I'm still trying to figure out where I went.
Okay.
But
That was yeah.
but the thing is, I don't know about the what other girls are feeling, but I felt that I should actually daily spend some 5 to 10 minutes introspecting this way, because I was. It is like I'm having a racket, a badminton racket, and as and when the thoughts were coming, I was like flying it like a shuttlecock.
So that's why I covered everything, all the areas where you can use it. This was basically for abundance, whichever I have tried. But you have got a major technique which you can use it for anything in life, Even when you're, as I told you, if it's come to relationship, then use relationship affirmations. If it is connected to health, use health affirmations. And even for specific body parts, there are affirmations. Like,
Okay.
and you just let
9 की बात है ज्योति जी, उसी ईयर में my husband got glaucoma, and the same year in December month I got cataract. Even I got operated my one eye, and my husband one eye vision is totally gone. Glaucoma को क्या हम इस किसी प्रोसेस से हम कुछ क्योर कर सकते हैं मैम? मैम नो, मदर को, हाँ मदर को है इनकी, फादर तो इनके बहुत जल्दी एक्सपायर हो गए थे. एक्चुअली ही वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड ओनली. फादर इनके एक्सपायर हो गए थे. मदर बहुत,
बट मैनी पीपल नॉट एबल टू डू दैट ऑन देयर ओन, तो इसलिए मैं सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी डालने के लिए बोलूंगी.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And I'm
much.
sorry, I
Yes,
have to leave. It's
exactly.
such a wonderful session.
या मजा आ गया
I don't
ज्योति
feel
जी.
like leaving.